Diaper Hero Episode 5. Look out, Bossy Baby is here. Good morning! It's a bright new day. Everyone is excited. Wait, hey, what? Something is happening. Oh no! Why did the toys stop? Someone is telling everyone what to do. Diaper Hero crawls in. Oh yes, full power. Twins clap. Teddy Max sits tall. Quacky flaps happily. Everything is looking at the door expectantly. Door opens. Oh, who's that? In crawls Bossy Baby. Bossy Baby points. You move. You sit. Mine. He points left. He points right. Oh, Teddy Max listens. Quacky listens. Twins listen. Everyone listens. Bossy Baby wants to play his way. Bossy Baby tells everyone what to do. Stack here. Sit there. No, not like that. Bossy Baby grabs all the toys. He stacks them, then knocks them. He pushes blocks. He points again. Oh no, nothing works. Teddy Max stops smiling. Quacky stops flapping. Twins stop laughing. Wait, no one is having fun. Okay, Diaper Hero crawls in to help. He offers the ball nicely. Oh yes, but Bossy Baby says, no, mine. Oh no! Diaper Hero tries again. He points gently. He smiles. Bossy Baby keeps taking the toys from Diaper Hero. Uh-oh, everyone feels mixed up. The room feels quiet. Diaper Hero looks around. He sees the quiet room. He sees no smiles. Diaper Hero watches. He doesn't stop Bossy Baby. He doesn't point back. He doesn't argue. Oh, he crawls away. What is he doing? Diaper Hero starts playing alone. He gently stacks blocks, one by one, slow, calm, neat. Oh, he rolls a ball. He giggles, he claps. Wait, he's having fun. Bossy Baby stops pointing. He watches. Wait, he wants to join. He crawls closer. Oh, yes. But Diaper Hero doesn't talk. He doesn't point. He just plays. Diaper Hero stacks a block. Bossy Baby copies. Oh, Diaper Hero rolls the ball. Bossy Baby copies. Wait, it works. No bossing, no pointing, just copying. Oh, yes. Bossy Baby didn't know how to take turns. So, Diaper Hero sets up a game. One toy, one turn. Roll the ball. Diaper Hero rolls. Oh, yes. Bossy Baby waits. Wait, now Bossy Baby rolls. Yay! Teddy Max joins. Quacky flaps again. Twins laugh. Everyone plays together. Bossy Baby smiles. Fun is back. Hooray! Bossy Baby learned without words. Diaper Hero slows down. Energy a little low. No big deal. Just a small diaper change. Mommy is here. New diaper. All fresh fresh, all happy. But wait, another baby is coming tomorrow. Who will it be? One thing is certain, Diaper Hero will be ready.